Freedom, freedom. Mauritius, we must remember our history. In 1822, on a small island in the Indian Ocean, there was a people living in suffering. Men and women without a voice, without freedom, without dignity. Slavery ruled everyday life. The colonizers believed they owned human beings, but nobody owns a soul. Nobody owns a dream. From Madagascar came a name, a rebel, a symbol, Ratsitatane. A man who refused to kneel, a man who believed in freedom, a man who believed people should live standing tall, not on their knees. They feared him, not because he carried weapons, not because he commanded armies, but because he carried courage. He spoke about freedom, he spoke about equality, for the poor, for the forgotten, for the voiceless. Oh, Ratsitatane, your name will never die. Even though they executed you, your spirit still survives. The Morne Brabant is crying out, the ocean is singing loud. Freedom for the people.
Freedom one day.
Freedom, freedom,
Freedom, freedom,
freedom, freedom.
freedom.
In the sugarcane fields there was pain. Mothers were crying, fathers were exhausted, children were losing their smiles. Some escaped into the mountains. The mountain became their refuge. Le Morne Brabant, mountain of freedom, mountain of resistance. The maroons hid there to protect their dignity, to keep one small piece of freedom, even inside suffering. Today, we must teach our youth that freedom has a price. Do not let history die. Do not let sacrifice be forgotten. Because a people without memory is a people easy to manipulate. We all come from somewhere. Africa, Madagascar,
India,
China,
Europe.
but suffering taught us that we must remain united. Do not repeat the mistakes of the past. Do not divide our people. Do not let hatred control our future. We must build together with respect, with memory, with love for our country. Oh,
Ratsitatane,
your fight still continues in Sega,
in reggae.
inside the heart of the Mauritian people.
The Morne raises its flag.
The ocean carries its voice.
Mauritius,
Do not forget
do not forget.
the suffering. Do not forget the courage.
Do not forget freedom.
Freedom, freedom, freedom.
Freedom,
Ra-da-da-da-da-da.
freedom,
Ra-da-da-da-da-da-da.
freedom,
Freedom for the people.
freedom,
Freedom,
justice.
memory.
The ocean carries the final voice away.